Elements of organizational behavior. Organizational behavior examine how individuals and groups interact within an organization. There are four key elements that influence organizational behavior: people, structure, technology, and external environment. Let's discuss this. People. People are the most important element in an organizational behavior as they make up workforce and drive the organization's success. This includes individuals, team, and groups within the organization. Example, in a software development company, a diverse team of developers, designers, and project managers work together on a new app. This collaboration and communication and problem solving skills directly impact the project's success and the company's overall performance. Structure. Structure refers to the formal arrangements of roles, responsibilities, and relationships within an organization. It defines how tasks are divided, coordinated, and supervised, creating a framework for organizational operation. Example, in a large corporation, the organizational structure might be hierarchical with clear lines of authority and communication. For instance, a marketing manager reports to the marketing director, who in turn reports to the vice president of marketing. This structure helps ensure that everyone knows their responsibilities and how decisions are made. Technology. Technology encompasses the tools, techniques, and process used to produce goods or services and facilitate communication and information management within the organization. It plays a crucial role in shaping work practice and efficiency. Example, in a manufacturing company, advanced machinery and automation technology streamline production process, increase efficiency, and reduce human error. Additionally, collaboration tools like Slack and project management software like Asana helps teams communicate and manage tasks effectively. External environment. The external environment includes all external factors that can affect the organization's performance, such as economic conditions, competition, regulation, and social trends. Organization must adapt to these external influences to remain competitive and successful. Example, a retailer company faces changing consumer preferences and increasing competition from online retailers. To adapt, the company e-commerce capabilities, enhance its online presence, and adjust its product offerings to meet consumer demands. So here lastly we have conclusion. Note it down. Understanding the key elements of organizational behavior, people, structure, technology, and external environment is essential for managing and leading organizations effectively. By recognizing how these elements interact and influence each other, managers can create a positive work environment, improve performance, and achieve organizational goals.